Hey guys, it's me GGP, and today we're gonna be looking at the periodic table. We've been doing video games in the past, nothing wrong with that. But I decided that we would just kind of move over to the academics field and more speaking science. So we're gonna be looking at the periodic table. I thought it'd be a little nice push just to take a look at it. It's a pretty cool and interesting if you really think about it. So let's get started. What exactly is the periodic table? I mean, you might hear the name, but what is it? What the heck is this thing? So, the periodic table categorizes every known element and puts into one table every known atom into one table. So this table now displays, this whole table here displays all of the elements that are discovered. And there actually is more for the elements that are not stable isotopes. The mass number of isotopes with the longest half-life is in parentheses. So let's take a look here. So I believe this one doesn't show it, but some usually in the corner here they would show a radiation sign, which means which element is contains radiation, which is kind of cool. So anyway, if we click on hydrogen here, number 1, this gives us the information. So I'm just getting the first paragraph, sentence. Hydrogen is a chemical element with a chemical symbol H in atomic number 1. With a standard atomic weight circa 1.008, hydrogen is the lightest element on the periodic table. And I can confirm that by showing you 1.008, and if you don't believe me, pause the video and go through the whole thing, and I'll scroll down here too. But it's the lightest element, no joke. So if I click here, let's take a look at this. So what does this number 1 represent? Oh geez, what does it represent? It represents the number of protons in the element. So this displays how many protons in each element. So helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, and so on. So the protons just keep going up. This letter H here, what does that represent? Well, that represents the name of the element, which is hydrogen. And then these little numbers at the bottom, I believe we just took a look at these right here. Let me highlight it. 1.008. This represents the atomic mass of the element, and this is the atomic mass, the smallest mass, which means it has the smallest weight. So this really kind of gives you an idea of what the periodic table is. Yes, of course, you can go much deeper into it, but if you just want to know what the heck it is and what these things represent, here it is. So thank you guys for taking a look at this video, and I hope you guys like and subscribe.